Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best SSC coaching in your city Jamshedpur? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 6 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city Jamshedpur. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Plutus Academy. Plutus Academy is one of the largest growing online coaching class in India. Study materials and video classes are best which this institute provides. Further, Plutus Academy provides best and updated study material to the students. It provides coaching which is available with recorded lectures and video facilities. Plutus Academy has experts and well-experienced faculty. In addition to this, online test series provided by the Academy is completely a best test series. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They will assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes according to their needs. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Shriman Classes. Okay, the perks of joining in Shriman Classes are career. Best Coaching Solution provides a wide range of free career advices, services including private one-to-one advice and much more. Training. The institute is accredited and trusted provider. They are leading provider with a strong reputation. Number 3 is success. By providing best coaching and career guidance by excellent team of faculties, they will lead you towards your bright future and your dream ever. Number 4 is online examination. Online exam means the candidate sits in front of a computer at the examination center and the questions are presented to the computer. Okay, now let us talk about the address and the contact number. The address of the institute is Buddha Temple, Subarnarekha Link Road near Rajendra Vidyalay, Ambagan, Sakchi, Jamshedpur, Jharkhand 831001. Their contact number is 09031002074. Okay, the Google rating includes 4.8 stars out of 5. Okay, at rank 4, we have Career Launcher Academy. So why you should choose Career Launcher? The answer to the question is, Career Launcher focuses on diverse segments of education across the learners of multiple age groups. It is led by a team of highly qualified professionals including IIT IIM alumni with a passion for excellence in education and has been focusing on shaping the lives and careers of many students since 1995. Moreover, over these years, the Career Launcher brand has diversified and established itself as a recognized brand in the education sector. Okay. At Career Launcher, they enable individuals to realize their potential and achieve their dreams. This is their core ideology and is firmly grounded on their focus on academic excellence, technological innovation, and domain expertise built over years. Moreover, they operate across a broad spectrum of segments in the education industry, including test preparation and vocational training. Okay, the address of the institute is 2nd floor above Allahabad Bank UTI Mutual Fund Building, Ram Mandir area, Bistupur, Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. The Google rating includes all 5 stars out of 5. At rank 5, we have KD Campus Best SSC Banking Coaching in Jamshedpur. The address of this institute is Bironu Asha Palace, 5th floor above ICICI Bank Trade Center, Ambagan, Sakshi, Jamshedpur, Jharkhand 831013. The Google rating includes 4 stars out of 5. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 6 institute, is Bank, PO, Railway and SSC classes in Jamshedpur, that is Prabhat Classes. The address of this institute is House number 4, Kairon Villa, opposite L616, Fauza Bagan Road, near Petrol Pump, New Bardihi, Jamshedpur, Jharkhand 831017. The contact number is 09955 118951. Okay friends, the Google rating of the institute includes 4.9 stars out of 5. So friends, these were our top 6 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city, Jamshedpur. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.